How to block ads on Safari browser iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block ads on Safari browser on your iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. To block ads on Safari browser, you don't need any third-party app. All you need to do is head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find Safari. If you don't find it, head over to the apps section, and under apps section, head over to Safari and open it up. Now under Safari, simply scroll down and you should see a lot of options. Now under here in general, you will see an option called block pop-ups. Now if you block pop-ups, ads which are popped up, which pop up when you are using Safari will get blocked. And that is how you block ads in Safari, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.